If you have a problem with Vaillant boiler ecotec Pro and the error comes as P62, what you have to do is basically it's not really hard. It's a lack of pressure in the boiler, so we're going to increase the pressure which is here, and to increase the pressure we have to do, so you have to find the valve something like this, which is a water valve. So we're going to increase the pressure of the water, which is decreased. So now, as you can see, slowly the water is increasing. So as soon as it is a bit more, switch off your boiler. After a few seconds, switch back on, and if just reset this, wait for a few seconds. So now, as you can see, the temperature started increasing and there is no error message. So we will wait for a few seconds, then I will go and check am I getting the hot water or no. And please don't forget to turn off this again, because we don't need more pressure. So let's check the water temperature now. Still it is cold. So now I started getting a bit of warm water. Yes, it is a bit warm still. Yeah, and I started getting a hot water now. So yeah, that's the solution for P62 for the boiler error. Thanks for watching.